Hey guys, back here with another video starting the restoration process on this 2004 Nissan 350Z. So today we're actually going to show you what we're doing today with this car. Well, we finished our front glass already. So what we're actually going to do now, we'll start the process of changing our intake and put on a bigger throttle body on here. So I'll show you how I lift my plenum and put the other plenum with a bigger throttle body on here, and then we'll start the coilover process of putting some coilovers on this car. We have some used coilovers. They're not brand new, you know, some used ones that we're going to put on this car. They was working fine. I had them on my car in the States, so I just brought them in, put them on this car. And yes guys, so we put the coilovers on there, and then we have some brimbos we have to put on here. So step by step, we'll walk you through the process of what we're doing to this car with the brimbos, the coilovers, and then we have a new lip to put on here. So we'll show you how to install my lip and plaster well my bumper. All of that stuff I do myself. And yes guys, and I have some spacers. I actually want to bring the front wheels out a little bit. I might push the back wheels is pretty much sticking out already, so I don't know. I just gotta look and see when I add the spacers on. If it look too aggressive, I might just probably just bring them back in a little bit. So, and then we walk you through the process of, you know, it's already body work, it's already all I gotta just sand it down and paint it. So for you guys out there that into the Nissan lines and pretty much know the car, see the car, you know, you can comment down below and, you know, give me some different colors. I would like to change the color of the car, but the engine bay have to be contrasted with the outside color of the car, because I don't like to paint a car and have my engine bay too far away from the exterior color. You know, I want to have a contrast going on. You know, I don't want, like, the engine bay is pretty much, I would say, this color, and then I got a blue on the outside of the car, or yellow or something like that. No, I don't want to do that. I want something that contrasts, and that when you open up your hood, you know, that the car still look uniform. It still look, you know, it contrasts right back in with the outer color and stuff like that, you know. So you can comment down below. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The channel is growing, as I mentioned before, and share the videos, you know, and you can watch the videos, you know. The channel is growing, and thanks to you guys. We appreciate, here at erebuilds, we appreciate all you guys' support, you know, and we see that you're watching the videos and stuff like that, and you're commenting, you know. We see that, you know, you're giving the likes and stuff, so continue to like the videos, you know, we do appreciate it. So yes guys, so we'll walk you through the process of this full restoration. So we constant uploading videos of what we're doing to the car, and then we'll take it out on the road as soon as we finish. You know, I want to do some burnouts with this car. You know what I mean? I'm not a top drifter, but I like to, you know, hit it and let it step out. You know, see how the angle kit working on this car. When I put the Geek Tech angle kit on there, see it, you know, how it handles and stuff like that. So stay tuned guys. We'll be constantly uploading videos with this Nissan 350Z full restoration. Right back to the painting. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, so every time that I upload a video, guys, it comes directly to you. And then you can share the video. Peace out. Yes, guys. So we just finished putting our plenum on. It have the bigger intake on there, bigger throttle body, and it have the space on there, and we have the cold air intake. So now we're gonna start it up to make sure we don't have any leaks and how it sounds.